So this is what I wake up to. My yard completely underwater. And I mean completely underwater. My screen porch is underwater. Somebody tore up my trash, apparently. Everything is underwater. Everything.